Joined right now by 7 Action News legal analyst Tom Cranmer. Tom, thanks for joining us now. It'd be impossible to find anybody in this area who doesn't know something about this case. So the quest is to find somebody who is impartial. Is that possible?
Well, we're going to see. Certainly that's the goal that the judge has and the lawyers have as well. And that can be a challenge at times.
Yeah, how do you root that out?
Well, it is through the questioning that the judge asks of the jurors to actually kind of seek inside themselves whether or not they can be fair and impartial. One of the problems that I think both sides have to be careful of is that you're going to have some people who simply don't want to serve and are going to give, if you will, exaggerated or false answers. There might be some people, though, who want to get on the jury and secretly perhaps try to say the right things to find themselves seated on such a high-profile case.
And Tom, the belief is that this case could go on for months. How does that affect the jury? Is it like too much information?
Well, it could be. A lot's going to depend upon how each side tries the case, and in particular the prosecution. I know we want to talk about that a little bit, too.
Yeah, what is going to be the strategy for the prosecution to win its case, and on the other hand for the defense to win its case? What is each one of them going to try to do here?
Well, I think from the prosecution standpoint, they have at least what they believe to be kind of a mountain of evidence. It's going to be, how are they going to be able to present that in a way that is both straightforward, compelling, but also not information overload. I think the danger in a case like this is perhaps presenting too many witnesses with too much information that doesn't tell a compelling story.
Is that a strategy of the defense to try to confuse the jurors?
Well, it could be, but I think from the defense standpoint, the thing that they want to continue to hammer at, both individually and collectively, is that the burden is on the prosecution. We as the defendants don't have to prove anything. It's their burden. They have to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. It's not an impossible burden, but it's a very high burden, and I think that's the theme that the defense is going to keep coming back.
What does the defense have to do to get an acquittal?
Well, I think it's just that, Diane. I think that what the defense has to do is put the burden where it always is, in a legal sense, on the prosecution to say, look, there are a lot of allegations, there are a lot of smoke, but now is the time to kind of put up or shut up. Has the prosecution actually proven its case, or are these allegations more just the instances of people who have been caught and now trying to point a finger at somebody else?
Tom Cranmer, as always, thank you very much. We'll be talking a lot with you over the coming months, and it may be many months.
It'll be a long trial, I think, and an interesting one for everyone. No
Thank
question.
you, Tom, like always.
All right.
Thank you.